You will receive a password reset email from Blackburn Hub. Your username will be displayed in the email and a link to reset your password. Click the password reset link. Upon clicking the password reset link, you'll be brought to a new screen on the blackburncollegehub.com website asking for a new password. Enter that new password in both fields and hit the reset password button. Depending on your browser, you may be asked to save the password for the site. And you will get a success confirmation image on the top of the page. Then you may be able to use your blackburn.edu email address in conjunction with your new reset password to log in to blackburncollegehub.com.